Hello everybody, welcome to CPP. In this video I'm gonna show you how to configure Visual Studio to create cute applications with it. So I already have Visual Studio 2019 installed. I have the Community Edition. And I already have Qt 5.15 installed. At this location, I'm gonna just copy the path. We're gonna need that a little bit later. So to configure Qt for usage within Visual Studio, we need to go to Extensions, Manage Extensions, and then make sure that you are on the Online tab and write Qt there and search. We already found the extension that we want, is this Qt Visual Studio Tools. We download that. Alright, we must close Visual Studio for the extension manager to actually install the extension. Alright, now we need to click Modify. Alright, it's done. Now we need to start Visual Studio. And we need to configure the extension to basically add a Qt version, the Qt version that we have installed previously. So to do that, we go to the extension menu, we go to Qt VS Tools, we go to Qt Options. Here in the tab Qt Versions, we need to add the version. Here we just we need to write a name. We can just write Qt 5.15. And this path, you can just paste the path that we copied previously, or you can browse. For it. It doesn't make a difference. So we need to go to this folder, like in not this one, but within this one we need to go to the folder named MSVC 2019 X64, or not X dash underscore 64. So that's the folder that we need. Don't stop in the folder with a version. You need to go in the folder with the build with the binaries for the compiler. Visual Studio 2015, 2017, and 2019 are binary compatible, so you could use it. Should work if you use Qt version built with other compiler, especially if you use older versions of Qt 5. Now we can just create new project, and we have the new projects that are available for us. I don't know if this was a bug, but a few versions ago those did not appear here, and also you couldn't find it. Like if you selected C++ and stuff like that, they were pretty hard to find. So if you don't find them by any chance, I don't know if that's a bug that was solved, or I don't know exactly what's going on. You can just write Qt there, and then that will search basically and filter the projects, and that way you could find them even if you didn't had them here in the beginning. All right, so we create a Qt widgets application. Let's call it Qt Hello World. All right, looks good. Let's create a Q widget. We don't need a Q resource file, or do we? Okay, let's. This is actually a bug. The UI file should be in the forms subfolder or filter as it's called in Visual Studio. So yeah, let's just move that there. So we just added a label and a button and just very simple UI form. Let's just see if it works. Alright, we just got a warning for queue resource being empty. Yeah, well that's expected. We didn't put anything in it. Alright, so we have the application working. So the setup is complete. That's all for today. Hope you learned something. See you in the next one. Bye bye.